welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we're going to walk through how to apply a tourist visa for Tunisia. Before I proceed further, I would like to clarify neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, when it comes to apply tourist visa for any country, the very first thing you need to check that based on your nationality, duration, purpose or its combination, do you really need a visa? Because you may or may not need a visa. So that's why it is important to check. The second thing you need to check is like once you determine that yes, indeed you do need a visa, so you should check the requirements as per the embassy, consulate or mission that is covering your region where you live. Because based on your locality or region, whatever you say, there could be additional documents, steps, fee, etc. For example, if you're in USA, so I have opened this embassy of Tunisia in Washington, D.C. Now, as a US citizen, you don't need a tourist visa to travel to uh, Tunisia, but if you're a green card holder there or you have legal stay in USA, then based on your nationality, you may want to apply over there. So, under consular section, we see what they have written. You need a visa application form, valid passport, copy of the passport first page, recent photo, PR card or proof of legal status, hotel reservation or notarized letter, visa fee, money order, prepaid express envelope. Okay, now fee is $90. Okay, all right. So you have to send a money order. Now let's see the visa application form because other things are pretty clear. So the following citizens of following countries do not even need a visa for tourism, of course. All right. So if you fall into these, you're fine. You don't need. Now here it's the form. Your photo here. Family name, see it's in English also, so be careful, like we have patience. It's written in small, I mean smaller fonts, so be careful. Marital status, you can check it and you can write it down. Very basic questions they have asked. Duration of stay, purpose, when you are gonna travel, anticipated date of transportation, point of entry, address, person known in Tunisia, their address, person accompanying you. And they have asked you like based on kind of trip, provide more information. If you had previous stay, provide. And then you have to put signature. Okay. And this is for official use. This section you don't need to worry about. Personal contact information is here. Okay. So in this way you can apply. So I hope you like this video. Make sure give it a thumbs up and let me know what you feel about it. I always welcome your feedback. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.